In this video, I'm going to be talking about the shape of the graph. For my problem, I picked the function h of w equals w to the fourth power plus 4w cubed minus 18w squared minus 9. Then you'd find the derivative of that, which would be 4w cubed plus 12w squared minus 36w. And you would set it to 0, and then after setting it to 0, you could find the critical points. And then using the quadratic formula, I didn't add it here, but the critical points would be x equals 0, x equals negative 4.8541, and x equals 1.8541. Next, we'd be talking about where the intervals of the function increase or decrease. So this is a rough sketch of that function. And what I got for where the function increases and decreases, the function decreases from intervals negative infinity to negative 4.9. Then it increases from negative 4.9 to 0. And decreases again from 0 to 1.9, then increases from 1.9 to infinity. So you can see that here, infinity 4.8, then increases to 0, then decreases again from 0 to 1.8, and increases from 1.8 to infinity. So now we're going to want to classify the critical points as a relative max or a min or none. So found out that x equals 0 is the relative max, and then x equals negative 4.8541 is the relative minimum, and then x equals 1.8 was neither. I'll show you that here on the graph. You can see here that negative 4.8541 is the relative minimum. The relative maximum is x equals 0. And then this critical point, 1.8541, was neither, because it's neither a max or a min relative. Now we're going to be looking at where the graph is concave up or concave down. So where I have it highlighted in green is where it's concaved up, and then the yellow highlighter is concave down. So you can see from here that it concaves up, and here in the yellow, concaves down, and in the green again, it concaves up. Next, we're going to be looking at the inflection points. That's where the graph changes concavity. So right here is an inflection point, and right here is an inflection point. And those would roughly be x equals negative 3 and 1. So negative 3 right here, then 1.